If you stopped working today, how long could you survive on what you've saved? Let that sink in. Most people don't realize they're one emergency away from chaos. And that's not because they're lazy or stupid, it's because they've been trained to live paycheck to paycheck, in a system designed to keep them exactly there. But there's a shift, a mindset that can change everything. Stick with me till the end, because what you'll learn today is the difference between chasing money and attracting wealth. You work 40 hours. You get paid. You work 0 hours. You get nothing. That's active income, and it's how most people survive. But here's the trap. The more you earn, the more you spend. Lifestyle creeps up. You upgrade your phone, your car, your apartment, but your time? Still rented out at $17, $25, maybe even $50 an hour. Let me ask, would you rather earn $10,000 a month by working 200 hours, or earn $3,000 a month while you sleep? Because one leads to freedom, the other leads to burnout with benefits. Now don't get me wrong, active income isn't evil. It's just not enough if you want to build real wealth. And that brings us to the shift. The shift. Wealth doesn't come from effort alone. It comes from ownership. Think about it. Jeff Bezos doesn't earn billions because he packs Amazon boxes. He earns billions because he owns the system that does. Here's the truth nobody taught us in school. You'll never get rich renting out your time. Wealthy people think in terms of assets, things that make money without them being there. YouTube channels, digital products, dividend stocks, rental properties, affiliate marketing, online courses, royalties, they all fall under passive income streams. Scared? Good. Because fear means you're waking up. But don't worry, this isn't a fantasy. You're about to see how the shift happens. Step 1. Building your first income bridge. Let's make it practical. You don't go from zero to millionaire overnight, but you do go from one income to two. We call it your income bridge. It's the first small system you build that brings in $50, $100, or $300 a month while you sleep. Maybe it's a faceless YouTube channel. Maybe a digital product. Maybe a simple newsletter with affiliate links. Small? Sure. But here's the kicker. The first $100 you earn passively will feel better than your last raise. Because it's yours. You created a machine that works while you don't. And once you do it once, you realize, why stop? Step 2. Systems over hustle. Here's where most people mess up. They try to hustle their way to wealth. Wrong mindset. Hustle is fine at the start, but long-term wealth is about systems. A system is a blog that ranks on Google and earns ad revenue. A system is a course that people buy while you sleep. A system is a product that ships without you lifting a finger. The goal is not to work harder. The goal is to build things that do the work for you. If your money, content, or knowledge isn't working 24/7, you still are. And let's be real, wouldn't you rather your bank account grow at 3 a.m. while you dream? Step 3. Reinvesting into freedom. Now here's where the shift becomes powerful. You earn passive income, you don't blow it on flexing, you reinvest. That means buying better tools, hiring help to scale, investing in income-producing assets. Suddenly your side income becomes your main income. Then your main income becomes your freedom fund. And eventually, work becomes optional. Imagine that. No more alarms. No more asking for time off. No more being trapped. Just you building, living, creating. Step 4. Identity 2.0. To truly make this shift, something inside you has to change. You go from consumer creator, worker builder, employee entrepreneur. No, you don't have to quit your job tomorrow. But you do have to stop thinking like someone who needs to be told what to do. The wealthy, they ask better questions. How can I multiply this? How can I automate this? How can I own this? So ask yourself, are you just making money to survive? Or are you building systems to escape? And here's the kicker. The moment you commit to the shift, your world starts changing. You meet new people. You see new ideas. You spot opportunities others miss. Because your mindset finally aligns with your future self. The next step, now that you know the shift, you'll start to see the game for what it really is. But if you want to go deeper and see how the system trained you to stay broke, watch this next. Backhand index pointing right. What schools never taught you about money. Linked on screen right now. Because when you understand the rules, You can finally stop playing like everyone else. Light bulb, click it now, and begin your escape.